Alright, this is a read of Hammond's Culture Responsive Teaching in the Brain, a trailer for future 3S beers by Kevin Straub here. Alright, so what is the basis, or the base of culture responsive teaching? So there's two strong roots of culture responsive teaching. It's building awareness of your students and your own culture, and understanding how the brain functions to its environment. So understanding culture of your students and yourself, understanding how the brain works in different environments, especially your classroom environment. How do I practice being a culture responsive teacher, one might ask, because they might not know what culture responsive teaching is. 4 steps of being a culture responsive teacher is forming awareness, building learning partnerships, strengthening complex learning skills, and community building. Next is, do you want to know how to build meaningful relationships and partnerships with your students? Then read Hammond. Do you want to learn techniques and practices that build your students' confidence? Read Hammond. If you are serious about becoming an effective and more complete educator and ultimately bettering your students' lives, then please read Hammond. It will change your way of thinking of how to teach your students. It will ultimately make you become a more effective and more complete teacher. Thank you, and good luck to you, future 3S beers.